Hi there. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will be comparing Moto G42 and Moto G41. The Moto G42 is the Motorola phone that comes to the market to replace the Moto G41. Both smartphones have similar technical sheets, but there are evolutions over time. The camera and processor are better in the new generation, while the screen has remained the same. In this video, we explore and explain all the technical details of the phones. The screen of the Moto G42 has kept the same characteristics as the Moto G41. This means that both have a 6.4-inch panel with Full HD Plus resolution, 2400 by 1080 pixels. This gives the models a very generous pixel density, 401 ppi. The technology of the screens is OLED. The refresh rate is 60 Hz, which is the same as the iPhone 13, but which lags behind mid-range models like the Galaxy A23, which runs at 90 Hz. The housing of the Moto G42 has undergone some aesthetic interventions, such as in the power button, which is a little lower. This should facilitate access for users who have small hands. Although the front of the devices is almost identical, the camera design has been redesigned. Although they share the same screen size, the newer model has been reduced in size. In addition, the Moto G41 is about 4 grams heavier than the Moto G42, a feature that makes no difference in practice. The discrete Motorola logo is present on both. In the launches, Motorola highlighted the smartphone's ability to take good quality photos. Both models have a triple set of rear cameras, with high-resolution main sensors. Features such as portrait mode, which blurs the background of the images, are a trademark of both generations. Both devices have a rear set composed of 3 sensors. It looks like this on the Moto G42. 50MP main f/1.8, ultra-wide 8MP f/2.2, deep of 2MP f/2.4, front of 16MP f/2.2. The Moto G41 single S photo arrangement, on the other hand, looks like this: 48MP main f/1.8, ultra-wide 8MP f/2.2, 2MP depth f/2.4. front 13MP f/2.2. It should be noted that a higher amount of megapixels does not necessarily mean better photos. The manufacturer promises sharp and clear photos. Among the highlights of the Moto G41 photographic arrangement is the optical image stabilizer, a tool that can deliver records without blurry effects due to movement. Interestingly, this feature is not available for the Moto G42. For videos, both support Full HD recording at 30 frames per second, not only by the main rear camera, but also by the front one. The processor that equips the Moto G42 has gained a significant jump over the previous generation. Now, the component is a Qualcomm Snapdragon 680 that, despite being mid-range, promises good performance in slightly more demanding tasks. The chip has 8 cores of up to 2.4 GHz of speed. Meanwhile, the Moto G41 offers a Mediatek Helio G85, also 8-core, but with a top speed of 2.0 GHz. For multitasking, both models have 4 GB of RAM, which is a sufficient amount to run Android satisfactorily by today's standards. Internal storage for both phones is 128 GB, expandable up to 1 TB via microSD card. This is a positive point of the models. Motorola equips both products with a long-lasting battery with 5000 mAh of capacity. This specification promises, according to the manufacturer, up to 2 days away from the socket. Both feature fast charging technology, and the accessory comes with the devices in the box. But the Moto G41 S charging speed is faster as it supports up to 30 watts, compared to 20 watts for the G42. The company also promises better battery management on the models. It is worth mentioning that the manufacturer sends the charger and USB Type-C cable in the box of both devices. The Moto G41 comes out of the factory with Android 11, but Motorola has already confirmed the update to Android 12. The Moto G42 already comes with Android 12, the most current version of Google's system. Android 12 on Motorola devices uses Motorola's own MIUI interface, which allows some customization of icons and widgets. The look and feel can be customized in detail by the user. Other new features of the new Android version also include a 15% reduction in the use of high-performance cores. One important feature to mention is that both products have a P2 headphone jack. Whoever purchases the Moto G41 or Moto G42 takes home, in addition to the fast charger and USB Type-C cable, a wired headset, and a protective case to protect the device from drops and scratches. The additional functions don't change much between the two Motorola products. They bring features such as a fingerprint reader and NFC, which allow you to make payments by proximity. Basic sensors such as accelerometer and GPS are also present in both products. It is worth mentioning that in addition to the fast charger, accessories such as headphones and a protective case accompany both devices in the box. The Moto G42 went on sale at the end of June, and it's currently available on Amazon for $369. The Moto G41 was launched globally in November 2021 and can already be purchased on Amazon for $409. You can check the link to buy on video's description page. Here ends our comparison Moto G42 and Moto G41. We hope you find it very useful. If you have any suggestion, kindly share with us in the comments section. Also, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Please click on the notification bell in front of the subscribe button to turn on notification for this channel, so as to notify you when I post new video. Thank you for watching.